The CEO of BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, says that blockchain is the email moment of finance. Just as it took weeks for a letter to arrive in the old days, and email did it in seconds, blockchain is changing the way we trade stocks and real estate from weeks to seconds. No brokers, no holidays, 24/7. This is the era of tokenization. But if finance can have its email moment, when will the email moment for global power and human freedom arrive? Today, our global system runs on slow, corrupt software from 1835 and 1945. This is the 1945 matrix. The 1835 education system wasn't designed to make us free thinkers. It was built to create obedient clerks. In 1945, the UN was formed, where 193 nations seek peace, but only 5 superpowers hold veto power. These are the corrupt brokers. In 1971, they separated money from gold. Now, they print money out of thin air and steal your hard-earned savings through inflation. Whether it's a local issue or a global war, it takes years because of corrupt politicians and bureaucrats. It's as slow as the old post office. And now the biggest threat, artificial intelligence. Big tech and corrupt powers want to use AI to completely seize our data and our freedom. If we don't build our own system now, we will be trapped in a digital prison from which there is no escape. This is why we need GAIGS, the Global AI Decentralized Governance System, the tokenization of power for 8 billion humans. This is a model where everyone is equal. No single entity has veto power. Power is finally back in your hands. Decentralized voting and absolute transparency. You can track every cent spent live on the blockchain. No politician can steal from you. The community decides and AI implements those decisions instantly through smart contracts. 3 years of work done in 3 seconds. Gamified education. The old 1835 system is over. 1 billion gamers will solve real-world scientific problems in the virtual world. Borderless services. A complete ecosystem where you build your own economy with total freedom and transparency. The old system is breaking. We don't have to live as slaves in a matrix created by someone else. We are free. The internet decentralized information. Now we are decentralizing power. Join Future World and GAIGS. The time has come.